Hello and welcome to ET Retail's E-commerce and Digital Native Summit 2025. Today we are joined by Ms. Nandita Sinha, CEO of Myntra. Hi Nandita.
Hi, thank you for having me here today.
Great. So how do you feel about the event? How's the overall ambience? And what about your panel?
I think, as always, a great summit, a great panel discussion, and a great audience. And I see every year this forum becoming bigger, better. So, always excited to be here.
Great. So would like to understand about the consumer preferences, how they have changed over the years, and how do you see the difference between the urban consumers and the tier 2, tier 3 consumers currently?
I think I would say that the tier two, tier three consumer is becoming more and more important for platforms like ourselves, like Myntra. They contribute to a large part of the new consumers that we are getting into the ecosystem. I think the good part about these consumers are that I think what has happened with fashion over the last few years is that fashion is no longer just clothing, but a lot of it is an expression of who you are, and therefore this is being embraced by the tier two, tier three consumers as well. And category dispersion is also very high. So whether there are new categories like beauty or home, you see them buying into these categories. Their fashion sensibility, like personalization, is very big in terms of building for these consumers, because fashion sensibilities and fashion choices really change as geography changes, and those are some of the nuances that you have to bring as you build for these consumers.
Great. So today's consumers, the new age consumers, are looking for speed and more convenience. So how do you plan to implement currently more tech into your ecosystem and bring more consumers to your platform with speed and convenience?
No, I think that's a very valid point, that as the last 4 or 5 years, as e-commerce has become more native to the consumer habit, the speed expectation of the consumer has increased, and therefore you have to continue to build speed access for for all consumers. For our metro consumers, we are just starting off with something called M Now, which is a 30 to 60-minute delivery of fashion actually available to consumers. This is the only platform that is really built for fashion at those in quick in a quick way to kind of deliver to consumers 10,000 styles in cities of Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore. And we are seeing great traction because consumers really want more. They want to buy products, and they want instant gratification, and this is where M Now comes into play. For other, for a larger piece of selection and maybe a deeper, as we go deeper into the country, M Express and M Express Plus are two other propositions that we give to our customers, which is about how do we help customers get products in 24 hours, 48 hours. So almost 50% of our overall deliveries happen in metros in the in within 2 days. And a lot of tech actually goes behind building these systems, whether it is demand planning, supply planning, how do you really promise speed to the consumer. So there is a lot of deep work that happens from a tech perspective, from an AI algorithm perspective, to be able to build the speed for the consumers.
Any recent tech or innovation that you are implementing across your platform?
I would say the work that is happening across Gen Z consumers, and how we are actually using technology and AI ML from trend identification to trend creation as well as trend discovery. That is one big piece of work that is happening, especially on our platform, which is Forward, which is the largest Gen Z fashion platform in the country, and building for the Gen Z consumer, especially. I think the other piece of work, which is again related to how Gen Z consumes fashion even while they are shopping. So, how do you build their content to commerce journey? And what we are doing with social commerce in the form of Myntra Minis and the creator ecosystem on the platform is something which is very, very exciting.
So is this helping you to maintain the overall demand and profitability currently?
I think as you keep innovating for the true customer needs, you will continue to build for the consumer, and both growth and profitability will happen on the back of it.
I think great insights. Thank you so much for connecting. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.